Hey Diva Dolls, what's up? This is your girl Crystal Chanel, and I am super excited to share with you today's video. It's all about some of my beauty secrets. You guys know I already told you I did my eyelashes at home with the DIY lashes. That's in the last video. I also share with you how to do your own sew and weave at the house, and today I'm sharing about my eyebrow secret. Now, before we get any further, no, it is not a DIY. However, it is something that I know a lot of ladies commented on before, telling me that microblading is something they always wanted to do. So I'm here to give you all of the details, tell you all about the pain, tell you about my total experience, and give you a 1-year update. If you want to see how it is that I got my eyebrows on fleek, stay tuned. Okay, y'all, we just gonna get right into it. This video is gonna be kind of vlog style. I actually recorded this 1 year ago. Crazy, right? It's been a whole year and I've been wanting to get this video out, but time never kept still. And now that I have time, I have so much content coming for you. Yes. So let's start. Go ahead, make sure if you're not subscribed to this channel that you do, and welcome back. If you are an existing Diva doll, I am super to be doing this with you guys. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. Hey y'all, so I just decided to go ahead and bring my camera. I'm about to get my eyebrows done. Y'all know I draw my eyebrows on like every day, right? And sometimes you just want to get up and go and still look, I don't know, I feel like I look complete when I have my eyebrows drawn on or something, because my eyebrows are really fine. So it's COVID and I'm trying to be safe, so I'm going to the girl's house instead of the shop. Yeah, I'm gonna just vlog the process so you can see. I didn't eat, so I went to the store and got some eggs. I can't believe I didn't eat anything, so I'm about to come in here with my snacks. But yeah, we're about to get this going. Her name is Gina. Yeah, but I'm gonna show y'all basically the before and after. So right now I have number on my face, and we're gonna wait about 30 minutes before we get started. A little nervous, a little anxious, but I'm tired of drawing my eyebrows on, y'all. So maybe I should have came with nothing on my eyebrows, but I was running errands, so I didn't do that. But I hope that doesn't cause a problem. Okay, y'all, very freaking nervous, only because it's like really a tattoo. I mean, I have lots of tattoos, obviously, but okay, we're just gonna get this done. So the numbing is finished. These are my before eyebrows. So I know I have eyebrows, but look, they're not pronounced. So this is my before. Stay tuned for my after. When I did get there, she did do the drawing on my eyebrows. It was kind of hard to tell what they were going to look like because she does an outline using dots, as you saw in the video. Now, I'm okay with that because it did look good. However, they did look wide to me. But again, because it was an outline, I just assumed it wasn't going to be that wide as the dots. So I'm not exactly sure if she did the tattoo inside of the dots that she made or she did them on the dots that she made. All I know is that when I finished, and it was day 1, and I looked at them, I thought my eyebrows were too long. Now, the way that she mapped them, they apparently go from the inner eye to the end of your eye and like diagonal from your nose. So they do measure it to where a perfect eyebrow would be. I think because I had very scarce eyebrows, my eyebrows were very short and very fine, I think it was just a huge change, which of course, you got to get used to something like that when it's on your face, okay? So I was a little freaked out at first as far as how long they were, and I was a little freaked out as well because it didn't have the arch that I like, but that's okay. I mean, we're here a year later, and Gina, girl, you was right. I do love my eyebrows, and I would totally recommend you, okay? Let's just go ahead and talk about the pain real quick. So after she MAC'd my eyebrows, I was actually getting sleepy laying on her table. You lay down completely. They put the cream on your face. It takes about 20 minutes to kick in. And I'm thinking it's a numbing agent, so it's not going to hurt. That's wrong, girlfriend. She told me that it's going to feel like someone is plucking your eyebrows. I don't really have eyebrows to pluck, so I don't really know if that's an accurate example, how to tell someone. I'm going to tell y'all right now how my pain level was. 1 being bad, 1 being not that painful to 10 being painful. For me, it was like a 7. It was a fucking 7, okay? Like, even with numbing, could be that maybe we waited too long because we were kikiing the whole time. Maybe she didn't put enough numbing. Maybe I just have a very low threshold for pain. But all I can say is that it hurt. And the whole time I was sitting there, it was like, you're almost done. You're almost done. I was tensing up. But after a while, your eyebrow kind of goes numb. I mean, y'all, if you think about it, this is a tattoo on your face. So yeah, it's going to feel like something. You know what I'm saying? So anyways, after she did the first couple of strokes, she kind of like, you get a feel for what it's going to be. And I was like, you know what? I wake up every single day looking crazy. I look like an old lady. I mean, I don't mind old ladies. I love you. I have old ladies in my family. But I didn't want to look like an old lady waking up or going to sleep or feeling like I had to put on my eyebrows just to go pump some gas or go to the store or do an Instagram, Snapchat, you know, things like that. So I definitely figured the amount of time that I'm going to save doing my eyebrows and just making me feel more secure as a woman, because of course we all have things we're a little insecure about, and my eyebrows was one of them. Okay, so yeah, it was worth it for me to sit there and get scratched up, because the pain wasn't the whole time she was doing it. It was only when she took that blade. You kind of, I'm gonna give you an example here. You push it, she puts it in the ink, whatever, she puts it on, and then she scratches it. Then she puts it on and she scratches it. It's literally a tear. It's like I can feel the tear on my eyebrows. And I do not mean to scare anyone watching this. I do not mean to have you shy away from getting your eyebrows done, because if you were like me, it was necessary, honey. I was going to sit there and take this pain so I can look good, feel good, and save time. So yeah, anyways, long story short, that's how it felt as far as pain. The whole thing took maybe about an hour, I want to say. I really can't remember, but I felt like I was there at her house for maybe 2 hours. So that includes the numbing and then the actual mapping and then the actual tattooing. So after that, you can see these are my results for day 1 and my thoughts. Good morning. So yesterday I was in a bit of pain. That's my coffee, don't mind that. But yesterday I was in a bit of pain, so I did not talk about my eyebrows. But this is where we are on day 1. She said I'm going to be looking like an angry bird for a couple of days, a couple of weeks. And I got to go back to get it filled. They look pretty good. I don't know about, I feel like this one needs a little bit more up here. But you go back to get it, you know, filled in and corrected and just done one more time, because it's all going to fade. Once I have my coffee and get dressed, I can talk to y'all about the experience. But I don't know. It's not painless. With numbing cream or not, it's not painless. And after that appointment, you're completely done. You're not supposed to come back to 2 to 3 weeks. I will insert a picture of a fresh face Chrissy. That way you guys can see what it looks like with no makeup. Now, every single morning I wake up, I be ready to go, girl. Like, my lashes are done, my eyebrows are tattooed, and all I have to do is throw on some sunscreen, some lip gloss, and your girl is out the door. So this is something that I've been wanting to do for years. No one told me it would hurt. No one gave me these expectations. So I just wanted to make this video for you dolls. I hope I answered all your questions. Hey guys, so I'm back. This is the second appointment of my eyebrows. I know you guys got questions, so I'm recording the process. And cool story is, I don't know, I think they look pretty good the way they are, but when you do it the second time, it's gonna look like excellent, like full, perfect. And if your person is not telling you to come back for that second appointment for the touch-up, you may want to ask around, okay? You definitely gotta make sure when you ask about your eyebrows that you get that done. And yeah, Gina's about to hook me up. So this is the before the second session. We're about to do the numbing, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like after. Okay, this is directly after. So you can see the stroke marks. I haven't on any makeup, so do not mind right now me with the ointment on and my pimples and scars showing, but yes, I'm happy. I'm gonna come back with tomorrow's update on what it's looking like and how it's scabbing, and also the final reveal. So did y'all see me trying to look cute and like it didn't hurt? Try to stick there, act like it didn't hurt just so I can get video. But like I said, after a while it gets numb, but I wasn't looking forward to it. Even the second time around, I did less talking, more numbing, and I still felt it. On that time, it was probably like a pain level 6, 5, something like that. But it was very short. The first time took longer because she did the whole thing. This time she just filled in some of the blank spots that happened because of the eyebrow scabbing and not the pigment keeping. So it took honestly like 30 minutes or less. It took like 30 minutes all in all between the numbing and the she didn't even have to do the mapping again. She did it by hand, just by eyeballing it, and she just kind of filled me in as if you would do that yourself when it comes to doing your makeup, you know? So that was easier. I didn't have to endure a lot of pain, but I'm happy I was able to get you guys that footage. As far as my tips, so the tips that I would recommend, I don't have a lot. The first thing is going there without any makeup on. As you saw in the videos, I had a little bit of eyebrows on because like I said, I don't like to walk around without eyebrows. I also recommend for you to maybe take like a pain reliever before you go in there. If you're not, you know, if you don't have a high pain tolerance, go ahead and pop you some Aleve Girl. You shouldn't drink at all. So I was definitely strict keto then, and I wasn't drinking alcohol or anything. So I didn't have to worry about that. But when you do drink, you do thin your blood, and that can be an issue sometimes when you're tattooing. And do not expect your final results to show right away. You got to allow your eyebrows time to heal. You got to go for that touch up and allow your eyebrows to heal once again. So this entire process is going to take about a 2-month turnaround time, but it's going to be well worth it for 2 to 3 years to come. Okay, dolls, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, I just wanted to come and share with you guys how it is that I felt about the eyebrows from the very beginning to the touch up to the end result, right? So I am very pleased. I would recommend it. I am hoping you guys have a different pain tolerance than I do. I mean, maybe I'm just a sucker for pain, but it was well worth it. Now that I'm a year out, I'm really wondering how it's going to hold up for the next couple of years. If you've had your eyebrows microbladed before, go ahead, leave a comment down below. Let the other Diva Dolls know your experience. This channel is a resource. You can come here for everything fitness, fashion, beauty, DIY, save you some coins, like all of that, girl. Now, I want to give a shout out to everybody who has found my third Instagram page. You guys, I'm going to be doing a new video next week telling about what's going on with my Instagram. However, I do have a new Instagram page. Be sure to follow me, leave me a comment, tell me how you found me. I'll definitely respond to everyone. The advantage of having a small Instagram right now is that I get to see all the notifications. I get to interact with people. You can ask me questions. I am an open book. So yes, be sure to find me on Instagram, and my new Instagram name is at CRISSYTHEDOLL Official. You can also find me on my Facebook page as well as my TikTok, and I'm going to put all of those on the screen, and of course I'm going to link them down below. I will be updating as well every single week this month on my new wellness journey on my fitness channel. I am excited to be back. I have so much more content for you dolls coming, even with my baby, you know, she put a ring on it. So we're going to just introduce her to this channel. She's not going to really be on here that much, but we do have something that we are working on. So stay tuned. And I want to thank you dolls, of course, for all of your love and support. And as always, stay fabulous and stay fierce.